We are living in a world with a standing requirement for digitalization and visualization of online energy monitoring data. That's why you will need Acrel ADW300 series LT wireless three-phase energymeter and the Acrel ADW310 series LT wireless one-phase energymeter. Such devices could be widely used in this scenario, like building energy management or solar PV bidirectional energy monitoring. Also, could be widely used in the machine equipment, online energy management, etc. Devices like this, when it paired with Acrel IoT energy monitoring system, or even your own system, you and your customer could check all the data like power consumption, current, voltage, etc. that's on your own computer or mobile phone remotely and conveniently. ADW300 and ADW310 series wireless energymeter has a built-in wireless communication module, make them possible to directly communicate with IoT system based on either 4G or Wi-Fi communications, or either use a LORA communication to be paired with a IoT gateway to indirectly send the data to an IoT system. So eventually, such features of these devices was extremely for those scenarios which was really hard for some RS-485 wired communication. Take the communication between IoT gateway and the energymeter based on wired RS-485, for example. For some scenarios, let's take factory or even the residential houses, for example. In this scenario, the wired communication, because of we will install the energy meter separately. So if you want to do the wired communication between energy meter and IoT gateway, this will largely extend the difficulty and the communication distance between these devices for RS-485 wired communications. So that's the reason why we will use these devices instead. We can use either 4G or Wi-Fi version of energymeter for directly sending the data to our system without using the RS-485 wired communication to an IoT gateway. Or even we can use the LoRa module of these devices to replace the previous RS-485 wired communication to remain the whole communication still wireless. And also, as for a multifunctional energymeter, devices like this could not only measure some common electricity data like power consumption, current, voltage, harmonic, active power, frequency, all those common electricity parameters, but also have some extra functions like I/O functions, alarm functions, multi-rate setting function, and etc. If you want to get more information of these devices, please kindly access our website or contact any salespersons from Acrel. Remember, we are Acrel. We act real.